Welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading. What a fantastic day we had. Just today alone, another 150 pips added US dollar yen and also in sterling dollar itself. There's more to be had. Now, some of you have been really able to pick up on the levels that I've been able to give you, but some people have not really understood. They're concerned about entry. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you step by step how you should be trading these levels and the way to actually maximize your profits with very limited risk. Now, for all my efforts, I think it would only be fair if you guys send me a box of AJ Fernandez, New Worlds, Gordos. They're not too expensive. Just kidding. Anyway, I'm going to be giving you the educational video coming up right now. Stay tuned. And remember, enjoy the party, dance near the door. Cheers. Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here, Park Avenue Trading. Going to give you a little lesson on how you should approach these levels and how you can get maximized profits with very limited risk from these levels. And what spurred this whole video, how-to video, was a comment made by Daryl Henderson a day ago where he says, great levels, but how you trade around those levels is very important and can make a winning or losing trader. How do you enter these? Nice vids, thanks. I'm going to go over step by step how you should be entering these and where the risk is. Because I didn't really make it clear because I just assumed everybody would understand my speak, and obviously that's not the case. So let's go back to just sterling yen to give a good example of how you should have been trading these levels. Previous video I told you that there would be resistance at 152.61. Originally it was support, which became resistance, and opened below 152.61 showed weakness to 152.15. So what that means is when you first got your open, let me see if I have an annotation thing here or a highlight. I'll use a highlighter here. Okay, so I think this will do it. Here we go. Yeah, all right, right here, okay? When we first got our open below 152.61, that immediately was becoming resistance. The area to be short is in this area. So if all this trading that took place here, and even if I were to expand this guy to here, was an area to get short with an open, with a stop above an open above 152.80 area. Okay, you could have used the 62, but that's, you know, there's going to be some fumbling around over there. Markets are going to always do that. But say you said, okay, an open above 152.80 or 82 is going to make me want to abort my trade if it has follow through, or, you know, turn around and go long because, you know, the open above that was supposed to bring me to 153.45. So these are just areas basically where you're supposed to be really focusing on the market, watching the price action. All this other price action here was just kind of looking for areas to get short. There are many different systems I use to get short in this area with limited risk. It's called a wave trade, but that's going to be in the course because I just can't teach you wave trading without understanding, you know, price consolidation pattern, a tower price, that type of stuff. So just understand that you're below this. That's an area to look to get short, because what you're looking for is for it to open below this thing, below 152.15. You get your open below 152.15. Okay. Now notice here, it did not open below it. It spiked it, didn't open below it. It opens below it here on this bar. All right. Although this stuff, this breakthrough is kind of a, you know, a warning that most likely 15 is going to go. But I've seen this happen and the thing rocket up 150, 200 points before it comes back down and breaks. So this is a warning. This again was entering into a sales envelope right up in here. This high is actually ending up into a sales envelope again, creating another good level to get short at with low risk, stop at 152.80. So the point that I'm trying to make is you want to get short up by higher resistance, and you want this thing to break. So then now all of a sudden, now you're sitting back and you're watching. and you're waiting. You're patiently waiting. Okay? Go do something else. You know, go put your stop loss in, break even plus lunch at this point. Whatever your entry is, you know, you want to make it break even plus lunch. You want to collect a little bit of money. Or you want to keep the stop at 152.82. That's up to you. So if you got short at, say, 40, 50, you know, it's a 32 pip stop. But you're waiting for this to continue down. Now, this 151.76 does not belong there. I was just looking at something before. So here, let me take this off. Oops, that's not chart settings. But anyway, just that doesn't belong there. It was actually a retrace point to get short again, but that's another story. So once you open below this level, 150, 155, well, you could do a couple of things here. Now, this is what I did, and this is generally what I do. I always take off 1/3 of my position at this point. That makes my average higher for 2/3 of the position. And then I'm going to write it down and see what happens. And this is a fantastic move. I mean, basically open below 150.110, which was our level, did another small retrace to 150.130, way away from the fire up here, the danger. It's, you know, you're basically just relaxing. You're laying down on the raft, and it's going down easy river at this point. And then here we are right now. And we said an open below 150, 50 is going to drive us, we have a potential to get back to 148. Now, I'm going to update that because there's some other levels I have to look at. But right now, that's where we stand. And let's see here. Let me give you an update on just sterling yen. Let me just look at it because I'm here and I was working on it. And I'm trying to make the video less than 8 minutes. So 149.76 will be another level. 149.76. So before that breaks out and goes down to the 148, say 50 level. So I'll leave it with that. I hope that was so you understood that. Remember, it's the most important things are open above. If I give you a level, I want the thing to open above it, and I want it to show strength. Sometimes there's a level right behind it that, smacks it back down. Then, an open below these would push down to the next levels. And there you have it. You have over 500 pips here, I think. So enjoy the party, peeps. Dance in the door. Cheers.